Okay. And when it comes to working in other geos, the biggest problem people face is managing content. Like, let's suppose you're sitting in the UK, I'm sitting in India. If I want to get some Parasite pages done for Japan, right, in Japanese, without having native content writers or without willingly to spend a lot on native content writers, do you think AI content will do the job, or AI with some human efforts can make you rank for these terms?
You'll rank 100%. It's just you won't convert nearly as well, right? So you can rank all day long because the algorithm isn't nearly as good, especially in those other languages, at understanding what is real and what's not real content. It's a lot better in English at understanding that. However, when it comes to especially countries like Japan, countries like Norway, and things like that, where the education level is very high and it's a bit different culturally, your conversion rates will be very, very low if you don't do the extra work, especially just in like your CTAs and the opening paragraphs and your images and things like that. Too many people use really badly done AI images and things like that, and that destroys their conversion
Does
rates.
not convert.
Yeah,
Okay. But so according to you, AI content can work with Parasite pages, right?
yeah, 100%.
And what about AI in English or English markets, English speaking markets?
Yeah, you just need an editor.
Okay, editor. But AI content is okay, right? Any tools that you use to generate AI content for English or other languages?
We use
Your
in-house
preferred.
in-house APIs and things and stuff. Just yeah.
Okay. But any publicly available tool that you feel is okay to try it out?
Probably Bright Sonic. I don't know if you've used Bright Sonic.
Right Sonic. Okay. Yeah, I have used Right Sonic. It's an Indian company though. Yeah. Okay. Right Sonic. How about like Surfer? Is it good? Any good?
It's a credit system where it's just way too expensive, right? So I think the credits are like
Okay.
$9 or something for one article,
Yes, nine
which
dollars
is
for
just
AI article.
way too expensive for an AI piece of content. Especially
Okay.
if like realistically, and especially what we do in general is we're generating multiple different variations of an article, and then we're seeing the editor goes and checks which one they think is personally the best, and then uses that one, right? If you're doing that with Surfer, you've got to first of all generate 3 different variations of the article. That's $27,
That's
which
already
is more
$27.
expensive than I'm
Yes.
paying the $5 or $6 an hour VA to do, right? So suddenly
Yes.
I might as well just pay a writer to write the content. Especially you could get like Macedonian writers and stuff like that for $6-7 an hour, and they could publish a thousand pieces, 1,000 words that is a lot better quality than the AI would be able to write. To be fair, AI might just be better.
Yeah. So you're saying that one can get AI content written with, let's suppose, Right Sonic, and get it proofread for like $6 or $7 an hour. For the best optimum quality, correct?
Yeah.
And I guess that content will be good enough because it's again, if it is human proofread, so that will obviously fix a lot of issues. And maybe a 3,000 words will cost like what, $18 to $19.
It depends on the editor and the niche, especially, and the language. That's another thing. So if you're doing like Norwegian or something, then the editor is going to cost you €50 an hour, right, to get a
Yes,
Norwegian
exactly,
editor.
because European nations, yeah.
So there's massive cost increases depending on the language in the country. But in general, we get it to be like $4 per 3,000 word article or something like that, because one editor can do 3 articles an hour normally.
Okay, and what language is this for $4?
English. So that's average.
English. Okay, got it.